Alright, I just wanted to shoot a quick little video on my bike and just kind of give a progress report on everything I've done to it so far since the last video. As you can see, I've made quite a bit of changes. Overall, same bike. I got new forks on it, they're air shocks or whatever, and then put a air shock on the back. And with this motor here, I ended up messing up the old one, so I didn't have enough money to buy a like the correct wattage, so I think I ended up going with like 1,000 watt or something. But the only difference in this motor right here and let's say a higher wattage motor is inside there's a little plastic fan. Where the differences are in the how you control the heat, and that's pretty much universal throughout. They could handle a bunch, but it's just what do you do with the heat. So what I ended up doing with this, fortunately the battery had a little USB port in there, so what I did is I hooked up a 5-volt fan and made it, attached it to one of these old backs of the motors here. It sucks out all that hot air with these heat sinks on there. That's pretty good. It's a 2,000 watt controller for now. On Monday I'll be getting a 5,000 watt controller. But here's everything that I got so far. I still might shoot a video and explain how I did this, because this was a task, to say the least. It was pretty time consuming because I just had to get it right. But oh yeah, here's my tail light here, which I think it ties in pretty good. Let's see. Kind of cool. Yeah, and here's the side of it here. This is all natural wood, and I burned this in there into the wood, and then I planked it out like this and made this tank cover. Here's what it looks like underneath. Just a mess of wires in the controller and the battery. But yeah, so that's what I got. Let's see. So here's that. Hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think. I'll do a video of me riding it here in the next couple few days or so. But yeah.